Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The question is, what metrics do you normally track and report for any PPC campaigns? So now for any PPC campaigns we always track below mentioned KPI stats. It will be like the clicks, impressions, CTR, that is the click-through rate, the average CPC. Average CPC means the cost per click that we are paying for a click. We are also tracking spend, which is the most important thing. The next thing we track are the conversions, that is the number of leads or the number of sales we get. Next thing is the cost per conversion. This is also one of the most important KPI to know what is the ROI from the campaigns. The cost per conversion means what is the number of conversions that we have got for what cost. And then we also track the conversion rate, that is the number of conversions divided by clicks. That way we will be able to see what is the conversion rate from the campaigns. Also, the most important thing is the ROI for any e-commerce website. So we track the ROAS, which is the conversion value per cost. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime.